Welcome back to another cleanup. Today we want to clean up this river. There's a lot of trash here in the river and on the banks, and yeah, today we want to change that and clean everything up. And first piece of trash. Ui. An old umbrella.
Put it in.
And here we are at the dam that we cleaned a few months ago. Maybe you've seen the video, and look at that, there's not even a single bottle here. It's still really clean. No trash at all. Really paid off. So I lied, there was one bottle and 2 pieces of styrofoam, but besides that, a pretty clean dam. And another plastic one. Well, that's it now. I don't know, but some sort of plastic wrapper. Let's put it in the bag. Oh, glass bottle, or part of it. That's not good.
Yes, and a piece of plastic.
Yeah. I just noticed another piece of plastic.
Another piece of plastic.
Out of the river.
Nice and muddy.
I'm sinking. Oh my gosh.
Hopefully you're not losing.
And another one. Come on. There we go.
Yep.
Oh!
Oh, das ist ein großer, a big pole.
Oh yeah. So that's the largest find so far.
Yeah.
A delineator. I think we'll get that on the way back.
I think so too.
No need to carry it. Oh, a helium balloon. Ooh. What is that? Some metal part. Maybe from the old railway line. Oh, a frisbee.
Frisbee, yeah, nice.
Oh,
Plastic.
that's very nasty. This stuff. It's all over here.
Yeah, it's all over.
Yeah.
And it's already too long in.
Almost impossible.
This is also not
Yeah, yeah.
all plastics. Yeah. You can get it out a bit. Completely covered in dirt.
Yeah, I think it rid off, so it's just a part, but
that's just a part of it.
better than nothing. Oh my god.
That's a big part.
What's that? Oh,
That's a huge find.
I think it's a jacket.
Yeah, or a complete coverall or something.
Yeah, yeah.
I think we should leave
Yeah.
it also
Yeah,
on the way back.
yeah. That's very heavy. And I also got something for you. What's that? Soap! A packet of soap.
Yeah, we got it.
Here you go. Oh.
Another piece of plastic.
Nice present for you.
Thank you.
For coming all the way out here.
Just rips off. these.
But what is that?
Yeah.
Oh! It's a whole trash pile here.
Oh.
It's just ripping apart. But I think there's a bike tire down here in there.
In the mud. Okay.
It might be easier than the car tire.
Yeah, yeah, probably. Should be.
Maybe you can try.
There's a bike. Complete bike, I
Complete bike?
think. Yeah, it's a complete bike.
That's not supposed to be here.
No, that it should not be here.
Here you can see Remco, my special guest from the Netherlands, trying his best.
Hello everyone. I'm trying to get the bike out and the plastics here. But it's quite stuck. It moves a bit, but we can try. We should get it out. Mud and plastics.
Yeah.
You see the plastic is coming off.
At least something.
Piece.
Yeah.
You see, there it comes.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we can flip it over and then...
Yeah. Then it'll come out.
It's in very good shape.
Oh yeah. You want to drive it home?
We can try.
Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out.
It's coming. And the plastic is coming with us.
Yeah.
I will tip it over so that it's on the wheels.
Yes. My goodness.
Well, at least it's a huge find.
Yeah, definitely.
But now.
Yeah, that is a good question.
But we can go up here or...
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So just cycle up there and we'll park it there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's moving a bit.
But it's a real large piece of plastic.
Yeah.
There it is. Warmer.
All right, and here's our first full bag of trash. We'll put it to the bike there and then later get it all up so the city can take it away. Careful.
No, that's not heavy.
What is that?
A seat or something.
A seat from a car. That's a car seat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. So for your new car, you got new seats, a bike. Amazing.
What is? Yeah. That's a rear bench. The cup hole was here. So if you have something to drink, you can put it there.
Yeah. Great. Nice. Very fancy car.
Very fancy car.
There we go. It's already a lot of trash here.
A lot of trash, huge finds.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very
Yeah.
nice.
And all that on maybe 200 meters.
Of river.
Yeah.
So
That's the current state of our rivers.
it is moving. Oh, it is a flat tire. Oh my
Yeah. That's heavy. I don't know if we can get it out. I mean,
God. Why not? Why not? Why not? We should get it out.
maybe together.
Just get those
Yeah,
sticks off.
yeah. Slowing us down.
It's all in here.
Oh, that's from the tire. It's ripped.
Let's get it
Yeah.
out. Maybe if we flip it over,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
will come out.
That's a good idea.
Or not.
Oh, there's a...
Ah, the rim is even
Yeah.
in there.
Oh yeah, that's a lot easier, but I think we lost the rim.
Yeah, we lost it here. But that saves a lot of
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's huge.
That's completely...
Yeah. Careful, should I carry it with the gloves or is it okay?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Oh, at least part of it. What's that?
I don't know. It's not foam. Not gold, unfortunately.
No, it's...
Okay. There we go. The whole truck tire. Car seats, bike, plastics, a rim.
all in the river.
Yeah.
All in the river.
Very intense cleanup today. A very, very beautiful landscape here. If it wasn't for all the trash here, like this bottle, then it would be pretty beautiful here.
Brake cleaner.
Oh, that's not good.
That's not good.
Nope.
It's nice to have in the workshop, but not in the river.
Exactly. Oh wow. The base of a chair.
A big piece of.
From a mattress. Oh my goodness.
We can get it ashore there.
Yeah.
It won't float away.
No.
It's a piece. It's a big mattress. Very heavy. With all the water.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can make it longer then. Oh, watch out.
It ripped. Shit.
Yeah, it's not that good.
Yeah.
Schönes Reif.
I think it's a pot.
Yeah, it's not a rim, but
A very large pot.
not that heavy as well. So
Yeah. Alright, we're done for today. We found a lot of trash. This has definitely been one of the largest cleanups in a whole ride. This is everything we found. A delineator, a truck tire, 3 full bags of trash, a bench from a car, the rear seats, a jacket, and of course a whole bicycle that was also in the river.
and the frame of a wheelchair. Oh, I know, office chair.
Office chair, yeah, exactly,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
That also, so yeah, a lot of trash that's out of the river now.